In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook ad account. So what is this Facebook ad account? This one is a tool within Facebook's advertising platform and that allows individuals or businesses to manage and run paid advertising campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. So in short, it's like promoting your site or your products. And how are you going to create that? So first, you must have your Facebook page here, or you can also use Facebook Business Manager account. So what you're going to do here is basically this is what it looks like. To go directly to that, if you have your page, then just go to the left panel and then tap this Meta Business Suite. Tap this one. And once you tap this, it will take you directly to your Meta Business Suite account. If you want to connect your Instagram, your business account in Instagram, then you just have to simply connect it right here. But for me, I had already connected my Instagram account. So what you're going to do is you have to go to the left side or left panel, and then you have to search for ads. So once you tap this ads right here, then it will show you this. So you can now create your first ad. So you're ready to create your first ad here. It will show you the information about how ads work for you. It will get you customers, save time. So once you're okay with this and ready to go, then tap get started. So basically, you need to choose a goal. If you want to create an ad because you want to get started with automated ads, if you want to get more messages, boost your Facebook content, boost on Instagram or promote your page or get more calls, you should know your goal, why you want to create an ad. So you just have to tap any of the goal here and then proceed. Another way is that you can go to any web browser, and then this time you have to search for create a Facebook ad account to advertise with Ads Manager. Tap this one. And then here, what you see is that you can now create an account and you have to make sure that you're logged into your profile. Now you can go and tap the start now and go to Ads Manager. So here, as you can see, you need to get your or reach the right people with Ads Manager, get set up to advertise, start creating your first ad, and then tap Get Started. Now, if you haven't created a business portfolio, because suppose that we just go directly to the site and we haven't created a business portfolio, and then you can create a business portfolio first and then go back. But since I have this one already, though it's not that really complete, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's just go directly to how are we going to create ads or create Facebook ad. So again, you just have to simply go here and then tap get started. And the first question here is what is your industry? To select your industry, you just have to click this arrow facing down, search for that industry, or you can just simply scroll down to see that. For example, it's all about technology, or my industry is all about technology. Then choose your business. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use my page, one of my pages here. If you don't have yet, then you can create a page. After that, tap next. And of course, you should set up your payment method. So as you can see, you can't proceed if you haven't added a payment method here. But we can just do that later. So you can tap not now and just proceed with the campaign setup. So let's start creating a campaign for your first ad. What is the main goal? Online sales, leads, or online traffic. So for online sales, this one, it refers to selling products or services via the internet. Ads are often used to promote e-commerce businesses, driving potential customers to a website where they can purchase items. When it comes to leads, in marketing, a lead is someone who has shown interest in a product or service by providing their contact information, such as through a sign-up form. And ads can be designed to collect leads for future follow ups. And lastly, is online traffic. This refers to the number of visitors a website receives. Ads can be aimed at increasing the number of people who visit a particular website or landing page with the goal of raising awareness or driving engagement. And so, as the following here, it has its own function. So let's just say for this tutorial, I'm going to select online sales. So tap next. And then here, you can now choose a campaign setup for your first ad. So we have here the first one, which is the Advantage Shopping campaign. And we have here Manual Sales campaign. So what's the difference between the two? Well, there is more automated type of campaign, particularly when it comes to Advantage Shopping campaign on platforms like Facebook. So automation, targeting, bidding, creatives, ease of use, performance optimization, it's all here. While manual sales campaign allows advertisers to have a complete control over every aspect compared to the first one. However, advantage shopping campaigns are ideal if you want to let the platform's algorithm optimize your sales without too much involvement. So for this tutorial, let's pick the first one here and tap continue. So now you can proceed with adding name, adding more information about your ads. So you can see your special ad categories, benefits of declaring special ad categories, but actually this one is optional. For categories, you just have to click this arrow facing down and then select the category that matches to your content. Also, you can see here conversion, choose where you want to drive sales. Is it in the website or is it in the website and application? So I want to select the first one here. Maximize number of conversions. You can tap this one. If you have your pixel or if you want to create pixel, just tap this. Anyways, a pixel is a small piece of code you add to your website to track user activity. It helps you measure the effectiveness of your ads by tracking the actions people take on your website after interacting with your ads. So if you want to create one, just go on. And below you can see more information about audience location, okay, your goal, the cost of your goal, budget and schedule, potential reach, and so on. So once you have added the information here or selected information here, such as the budget, you can see here the daily budget, okay, and then the potential reach. What can this budget do to your ads? Okay. And then after that, click next. The next site is where you can select your page. You just have to scroll up here and then you can create template if you want. Select Facebook page. So let me select this one right here, one marketplace. And then you can now add your Instagram account too. You can connect or you can choose another one. And here is ad setup. You can get started, tap get started, or you can tap this remind me later. And then below is now you can upload your content. For example, if you don't know how to create one, or if you don't have a content, or if you want a content that is enticing and captivating, I highly recommend Canva for you to create a good content because it's a free editing tool and then you can simply edit everything there. Once done, you can upload it right here and then add the website URL, display URL. You can add more details to that. You can also preview the content before you promote this, and that's it. So, after creating your ad account, you can immediately start running ads by going to this ads manager right here. So again, all you have to do is to create or click create to set up your first campaign, choose an advertising objective like traffic conversions or engagement, and then set your audience, budget, add creatives, add images, videos, and text, and then run your campaign. You have to take note that ad account is limited. Billing information, you will not be able to run ads unless your ad account is funded with a valid payment method. So you must proceed with the payment method. And then Business Manager, if you're managing multiple clients or businesses, it's better to use Facebook Business Manager for better organization and control of your assets. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.